It's a beautiful day in Safetyville, and Mark is fully caffeinated and ready to conquer the world one iced latte at a time. Mark's life motto: if you're not in front, you're behind. Oops! Mark's morning boost just turned into a full-body espresso shot. Stand back from the curb when waiting for the bus. Safety begins with you. It's a beautiful day in Safetyville, and Shelly is feeling completely at peace as she heads to yoga, centered, calm, and moving at her own flow. Uh-oh, Shelly sees her bus pulling away, and suddenly her inner peace turns into a full-blown panic. Oops, looks like Shelly's downward dog just became her final pose. Never run to catch the bus. Safety begins with you.